Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you friends? I hope you'll be all fine and good. So, dear friends, I'm back with a very beautiful, very stylish collection of leather jackets for ladies. So, in this video, you are going to watch the most beautiful, most stylish designs collection of leather jackets, and I hope that you're gonna love these designs. All the designs are stunning, so beautiful, so stylish, and I hope that this video is gonna be useful for you, helpful for you if you are interested in dress designing, or if you want to know about the latest fashion trends. So you will get many ideas, many designs from my channel, and I hope that you will love all of these ideas, all of these designs in this video. And I hope that this video will be useful for you, helpful for you, and you can see all the designs are so stylish, so stunning, that everyone would love to wear such jackets. So these jackets are suitable for winters, and the winter season is coming, so they will look so stylish and so beautiful, and I hope that this will add to your beautiful. So friends, if you love these designs, please do also like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos, and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. So friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So do tell me in the comment section how was the video, how were the designs in this video, and which type of videos you want to watch on my channel. You can tell me all this in the comment section, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you want to give me ideas, give me suggestions, you can also give me ideas and suggestions. I will act accordingly, according to your wish. And friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so your feedback is so important for me. It tells me whether my video was useful for you or not. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thank you so much for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me to bring more such videos and more such collections for you. So friends, please visit my channel for more such videos and more such collections. You will find huge collections on my channel of leather dresses, leather jackets, and I hope that you will love those collections too. Those collections will also be useful for you, helpful for you. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and